In this video, I will tell you how to post. How to post on Thread is very easy. Thread works the same way as Twitter. You just have to click this button on the on the on the bottom middle of your screen right here, and then you can start a thread. You can write whatever you want. I'm just going to turn up my brightness real quick. Let's write whatever you want. Hello thread. So you can add something to the thread if you want to say more. This is my first time on thread. You can also choose to allow thread to access your photo. In this way you can upload photos on threads, but I don't want to upload photos on my thread, and just click post. And just like that, you have your first post on thread. Very simple. You can also see your replies to your profile and see your reposts too on your profile. That is how you're able to post on threads. Very easy.